I'm Joe from Aqualabs. Welcome to a series where we take a look at the key ingredients that make our products work so well.
Today's product is Shogun Sumo Boost. The key ingredients in this heavyweight flowering booster is triacontanol, a natural compound found in the waxy cuticles of plants. When applied either to the roots or the leaves, it acts as an important growth stimulant to promote nutrient uptake and photosynthesis, while increasing the content of sugars, proteins, and the active constituents of essential oils in various crops. Sumo Boost contains a green seaweed extract produced by the physical process high-pressure cell burst. This extracts delicate hormones and nutrients without the damage that can be caused by extreme temperatures and chemical processes. This ensures the maximum retention of crucial auxins and cytokinins, while also containing a wide range of other stimulating hormones such as brassinosteroids, along with vitamins and amino acids.